Yeah. Have your friggin'... Dude, have your friggin', siren on? Maybe that would work better. And don't run the red light. Down the road and red! A love they couldn't deny. Thank you. Whatever. Was true till you threw it all away. Exit regret. Hasta la vista, baby. I should have executed myself. You know I had to have you. Now I'm gonna jump the bullnose here. I'm looking for a new love, baby. A new love. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm looking for a new love, baby. A new love. Jumping back there. A little faster, lady, will ya? Is your muffler loud enough, sir? Ooh, me with the touch of your hand. What the hell? What the hell was that? You were at a red light. Where the hell did you even come from? And you had a red light too, you scumbag. You drove a climbing lane. Keep going, keep going, the fuck are you doing? Jesus Christ. Morons! Morons! Talking about freedom. You're a shithead! Can I get freedom from this bullshit? We're gonna bet he's in the wrong lane again. Yep. Yep. Herp and derp dope. Herp and derp. Who's beeping for what? Those are red light runners. Hi, anybody gonna stop for the red light? Did you stop? Prius isn't gonna stop. No, of course not. Prius taking the turn. Oh, too close. Give me a dirty look, old lady. Really? Camera didn't stop. I don't know if the CRV did. 4 did not stop. It's gonna be good. Funkin'. Wrong lane. Ew! Shithead. See, you have your own little cutout here to make that turn. Stop sign! Mini mini! You ran the red light. Stop! Stop! You moron! The hell is this? Christ. Are you just gonna take that pickup out or what? Somebody ran the red light again. This is serious slap. Serious. I got straight from left and lane with the blinker on. Casket Royale, right next to Life Storage. Just saying. What the hell are you doing? Are you actually trying to get left here or what? Yep, you're a moron. What the hell are you doing, lady? Come on. Are you going left or not? I guess not. No, you're a dummy. Minus 93 degrees. I don't think so. Here. What the fuck was that? If you're going left, get in the left lane. If you're going left, stupid. I don't think you're supposed to be riding a motorbike on the sidewalk.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Oh, fuck. Oh, I fucked that up. I ain't going that way anymore. I'm supposed to drive on that side of the road, dude, you know? Your turn forward, you're supposed to stop.